Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome to another tutorials episode. Now, we're picking up exactly where we left off, but I decided to get like a fresh new copy of the game. This is what your game will look like. And if you don't know how to find it, let me actually make sure I show you guys exactly how to. So if you go to your Steam, which is, I'm modifying the Steam version. I don't know about anything else because I don't want to give you a tutorial on anything else and then it doesn't work. So you right click, go to properties, and then you can actually go to local files and click on browse. Okay, so it's gonna point you out to right here. That's how you can actually find these files. But first thing I'm doing, without installing any other mods, I'm gonna show you guys how to install LSPDFR. LSPDFR is pretty simple, drag and drop. So let's go to the LSPDFR website. It should look something like this. What you're gonna do is download it. You just gotta agree. I already seen this so many times. I know what it is. I have to agree. If you need to read this, read it, making sure that you know what you agreeing to. But click on agree. One of the setup, I don't like automatic, so I always go for like the manual version, which I can actually show you guys. It's pretty simple. It's drag and drop. So let's do it. We're just waiting for it to to download, and then we're gonna install it. That's why it should take a couple of seconds. All right, let's make sure we put it on our desktop. Waiting for the files. All right, just like I always say, whenever I'm in a video, I'm on a video, whatever, I'm always saying like is a pretty simple drag and drop. So what you're doing is taking all this, drag and drop it into your main directory of GTA. You don't need script hook. I don't think you need scripthook.net unless you have mods for those. But this is rage hook and LSPDFR. Pretty simple. But one process that I use, if this is your first time installing it, make sure you double click on this just to set it up, because it's gonna ask you if you need to back up anything. So this is the first time we are installing it. Let's accept this. Okay, so guys, it will bring you to this menu over here. Now I just want to make sure that it's gonna load, but as you guys can see, it's saying this game version is not supported, so we're gonna have to go to rage hook website since they did update the latest version of GTA. So let's make sure everything is correct. One command line that I always make sure is good is the video card. Ignore different video card. Save and close. Press OK. I think we're gonna have to do this again since we have to go to rage hook. So I'm gonna have to cancel it. I don't think it's starting right now, so we're just gonna have to cancel it. All right, so the next place that you need to go to is rage hook. So let's go to rage hook. All right. Let's download now. We downloading this for Grand Theft Auto 5, and this is for the latest version. Let's download it. I just want to make sure everything is correct. So basically, you're gonna do the same thing all over again. Drag and drop. Let's put this down. Okay, so what we're doing is drag and drop all of this except for SDK. Let's drop it in here. Place. All right, and also the license and plugin, and let's drop it right in there. I just realized I guess the LSPDFR website probably didn't update their version yet. So let's double click on this. You might not have to do this by the time I'm posting this video, but let's make sure this is supported now. Accept. And this is it. You see which is plugin backup. That is for most of you guys, that is in case you forget, but I always like to back it up. Just click on yes. It's just create a backup just in case you messed up or forget something. You can always revert it back, and it's gonna show you something like this, which is the version. You see the last one was showing me that version is not supported. Now this version is supported now. Let's make sure on the plugins, these plugins on startup, we make sure that LSPDFR is check. But other than that, I think we good. We already picked the command lines that we need. And for some of you guys, you might need to start in Windows mode. It just depends. So let's save that. And okay, I'm gonna have to cancel because I have my own way of starting, which always help. All right, so the suggestion that I have for some of you guys that might have like a lot of crash and stuff like that is to start the game. Let's go. We're gonna start the game. You guys get to see the process. Pretty simple process. Let's start the game. Once the game starts, while it's loading, you can actually start Rage Hook while it's in the process of loading. But we're gonna have to tab out. It's by pressing Alt and Tab. I'm just waiting for it to load right now. Okay, so this is working. It's magic. I just want to make sure it passed this screen and the next screen, and then after that we're gonna tab out while it's loading the game. You can actually start here too, but I always like to make sure that I know the game is working. It's not Rage Hook that's crashing my game whatsoever. So let's make sure it gets to the loading screen first. Once it gets there, we're just gonna tab out. Okay, this loading screen right here. All right, so let's tab out. And then keep your Grand Theft Auto folder open. I'm just waiting for the screen to show me my Grand Theft Auto folder. Keep it open so you can actually just go right back to it. Let's minus this. All you need to do is double click on Rage Hook. All right, you're gonna see it's gonna try to hook. Once it hook, all right, go back to your game. Go right back to your game. Then you should be able to see everything. The first time it starts, you guys already know how it is. It's initializing right now. Okay. And let's see what we got. And if you don't think your game crashed yet, it does that. It might take a couple of seconds. There you go. It's hooking right now. It's going in the game. It's supposed to be loading only one plugin since you only have one plugin right now. And then once we go in the game, I like to go to like at least one police station first for like the first time, and then make sure everything works. And then voila, your game is ready. But you know, let's wait for the process. So this is the second tutorial, guys. Let me know if that worked for you guys. If it doesn't work, it's either you skip a step, or that's why I make sure I did this one without no ENB. A lot of you guys were saying, yo, we're having problem with the ENB. Please, if you're having problem with that ENB, use an ENB that your computer can actually handle. Don't use the ENB that I put out there. All right, so you should be able to locate all the police station. As you can see, we can actually start from this station. I don't have no type of mod in there right now, so I'm actually gonna have to drive to whatever location that I need to. So I need a car. I'm just gonna have to rob somebody. Yep, as a cop, we're robbing somebody. All right, can I take your car, bro?
Give me that car, dog. Oh my God.
I'm taking your car. Damn. So just like I said, this is the first time you are installing this, so get yourself ready. It's probably gonna pick the regular cops. So I'm gonna show you guys how to install EUP. I'm gonna show you guys how to install each cars one by one. Show you guys how to install packs. A pack that I use a lot, which is the ERC pack. The ERC pack, I can actually modify as much cars or put any cars that I want to in the game without any problem. And even if you need to change the sound or whatever the case is, man. But right now, let's go. We're going to our first station. I usually like to go to the station downtown, but I don't have any mods installed to even teleport right now. Oh, we can actually teleport with I don't remember the last time I used this to teleport, but if you press F4, can you teleport anywhere? Yeah, you can actually teleport that way. Okay, so remember how I use Simple Native Trainer? So instead of going to the station, you can just press F4 I barely use this. Teleport to position. Teleport to waypoint. That's what I meant to say. All right. So you see, I just teleport me to the waypoint. Not in here. Oh my goodness. Hashtag you guys didn't see that. Can I get out? It teleported me downstairs, like kind of in the basement. All right, so let's do this one more time. That was a fail. Okay, now it teleported me to the street, guys. Okay, so let's do this. So we're going in the station. This is actually your first time loading LSPDFR. So everything should look good. I haven't changed no settings. We haven't changed no sirens. So I'm going to do everything just step by step. You see your station look something like this. How you doing? All right, so we going right over here. We need to set up our player first. So let's open the locker room. If this is your first time. All right, let's go on duty. Devouring donuts. You need to select to use a LSPDFR character. So this is when you get to this point, you get a chance to create your character, do what you need to do. This is a pretty straightforward setup. So since this is a tutorial, guys, I'm gonna use a preset. So let me see. Can I just I don't know. I wanted to use random people. Yeah, there go the preset that I want to use. All right, so I'm pretty sure they have a name for him. Yep. Okay, so this is gonna be our preset. This is the person we're gonna use. Just keep pressing A until it gets you out of here. And this is my character, police locker. I don't have no outfit like that yet, so this is why this is the only outfit that I have. As the officer 1 actually. Inventory, a patrol officer. You can actually pick whatever you want to pick as far as component. If you want to change anything on your player, the hats, whatever you want to put on your player, that is when you use an EUP. But we can actually show you guys how to work with EUP and stuff like that as more as an advance. But you click confirm. Now we'll get a chance to go to our police garage. So like I say, I haven't installed any mods yet. This is pretty straightforward. You get to pick the livery. You get to pick whichever department that you want to pick. And let's get back to LSPD. You get to pick whichever car you want to pick. We're going to pick the first one, the livery. Depends on which one you want. That is when you start adding a bunch of cars. You might be looking for that car. The extras is just switching the lights. It just depends. Modification, just making sure that everything is on max. As far as your vehicle, as you guys can see, I feel like this is straightforward though. If you are new to LSPDFR, welcome. Thank you for downloading the mod. Coming from me and the G17 Media, LMS, and all the other guys, thank you for even doing this. Let me see. I don't think we need no turbos. Other than that, I think you are ready to be a cop now in GTA. You could pull somebody over. You could do whatever you want. You are now on duty. So let's go do our first pull over. Since we are on duty right now. All right, we got a yellow light. Should I follow the rules now? So this is gonna be random, guys. This is gonna be so random. So I'll pick on this person. All right, we're gonna pull them over. Come on, buddy. Pull over. And as you can see, you just pulled your first person over, man. All right, so we don't have the extra mod install as far as police radio. One thing you can actually do, you can actually, wait. I have to hold E. All right, so let's approach the driver. I was gonna check the plate. Whoa. And you might have stuff like that too happen, as you guys can see. Oh, and I'm having a gang attack already. All right, we need backup. We need backup. You see this guy decided to start shooting at me too.
Acknowledge. On our way.
I got some backup coming my way.
Acknowledge.
All right, we good. We good. We good.
Ready? Let's go with me.
All right, appreciate your help, guys. Man, this guy. That was a random pullover. Why he decided? Man, it is what it is. But you guys already know this is GTA. But guys, this is another tutorial. I didn't mean to even have no shootout or anything like that. This was supposed to be a simple traffic stop. But you guys saw it. The guy shot me like twice and all that. But I think we are done here. I hope you guys are all going to enjoy this. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.